Why is digitalization such a compelling opportunity for the medical device industry? Let's get some clarity. Hi, my name is Jim Brown with Tech Clarity, where we make the business value of technology clear. Today, I'd like to talk to you about the digitalization opportunity in the medical device industry. So what is digitalization? It's applying the concepts of the digital enterprise to really make drastic improvements in business. We're seeing lots of manufacturing industries start to embrace it. It's really helping them develop more innovative products, get them to market extremely quickly with high levels of quality. The medical device industry, on the other hand, is very early in their process of transforming to digitalization and digital processes. But the opportunity is extremely great for them to learn and be able to get to faster approvals and time to market, increase their quality, but at the same time improve their compliance with the myriad of regulations they have to focus on. So why is it so important to do this now? Right now, products in the medical device industry are getting extremely complex with mechanics, electronics, and software associated with them. At the same time, the medical device companies are facing increased pressure from across the globe that's driving cost pressure, increased competition across the board, and even greater regulatory scrutiny from a global perspective. So companies really can't afford the inefficiency and errors that come from paper processes, or even digitized or electronic processes that are sort of paper on glass, old paper processes, but that are being run on a computer. That's not going to be enough. What we need is digital data that flows from step to step, so we're not recreating information. So how can medical device companies get started down this path? Well, you can't do it all at once, obviously. There are several areas that we've seen that are extremely valuable. The first one is digital design, really controlling designs in a digital enterprise approach. The second is digital design transfer and improving that interaction between design and manufacturing to make sure that it's extremely efficient and we're not introducing errors along the way. And the last is paperless manufacturing, really tracking what's happening on the floor in a paperless manner and getting much better data, which obviously sets up a lot of opportunity for analytics and continued improvement. So each of these takes advantage of digital models that create a really strong view, or what some might call a digital twin of the product. At the same time, throughout the design process, they're creating this history, this digital thread of the design process all the way through manufacturing and through the life of the product, throughout the entire life cycle. So it's really time for medical device companies to raise the bar and embrace digitalization, learn from other industries. I'd love to continue the conversation with you about it. You can actually watch more of our series here on digitalization for the medical device industry, or learn more from our sponsor, Siemens PLM. They're an expert in digitalization for the medical device industry.